Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to make your YouTube homepage blank using your web browser. This will remove all recommendations and distractions. Let's get started. First, log into your YouTube account and then on the left side you will see this section history. Now click on it and then all you have to do is click clear all watch history and confirm, then pause watch history and click pause, and when you go back to your YouTube homepage you'll see that your YouTube homepage is black. Now this is actually it. Another way you can do this is you can use an extension. For example, go to your Chrome extension or Edge browser and then search for hide YouTube feed. You'll see a bunch of extensions here. You can use this one, it says block YouTube feed, and this will do the same. And that's it. Once changes are made, your homepage will no longer show suggested videos. YouTube will still work normally once you search like Adobe Illustrator or something like that, and the videos will come back again. But if you make sure that you pause the watch history, your homepage will still be blank. And that's it. You have successfully made your YouTube homepage blank. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.